Here we are at 607 Shadow Ridge Drive. Beautiful house. From the street, looks like a fairly small house, but it's not. 3,880 square feet is what it is, and lots of house there. Also great neighborhood. If you see the nice homes here in this cul-de-sac. It's a great spot. Great place to live. So, you've seen the outside. Let's go in. 3-car garage. Front. Entry. And when I open the door, you'll see beautiful, like ceiling to floor light fixtures accentuating the view. And let's take a walk over to that view first. Beautiful stone fireplace, gas heated, entertainment center. Looking out to the breakfast nook, kitchen. And here you have the view. This looks out to Mt Angel Abbey, in the event you know where that is. You'll see the large patio. Beautiful private setting. Two barbecues, a smoker barbecue and a regular barbecue, and custom cabinets, custom appliances, stainless appliances. So let's now take a walk into the dining room. Formal dining, sconce light fixtures. See the front door there with the side lights. Okay, now we're heading towards the master bedroom. Have the powder room. Sconce lighting there. Deluxe vanity here. Heated tile floors. The master, ample size, very nice size master. You'll see the crown molding. Another nice set of windows for enjoying the view. Nice size walk-in closet. Master bath. Double sinks, granite counters, spa tub, marble surround. Tile shower, 2 shower heads, custom shower, great fixtures. Okay, now we'll walk further down the hall. And right off the entry is a gorgeous office. Nice place to work from home. Let's pan up to the ceiling so you can see the natural wood ceiling. Faux painted walls. All custom details. Double French doors leading in here. No details have been spared in this house. Okay, let's walk down the hall. Walking down the hall, you'll see the door to the garage, 3-car garage, laundry room with laundry tub, 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and then we will go to the downstairs. This is quite a room. Another gas fireplace. Room for a regulation size pool table. Wet bar with a dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave. Another bedroom. The end of this hall. Another bathroom, including a lower level laundry. So set up very well for a 2-family setup. If you notice the door right straight ahead of us here, that goes into a lower level shop area. Good area for like your landscaping equipment, and if you wanted a little wood shop. The stairs there go up to underneath the house, which is concrete under there, so great storage, great clean storage. A roll-up garage door for easy access. And now outside, beautiful outdoors. Once again, the lot's about a little over half an acre. You have a covered patio here. The patio upstairs, half of it's covered. You have a fire pit here to enjoy. Carriage lights. Great evening ambiance. And a view to, there again, to Mt Angel Abbey and over the top of Silverton. And to get an idea of the outside of the house, it's very big, lots of space, gorgeous patio, beautiful yard. So this is 607 Shadow Ridge, I'm sorry.